Hi everyone, greetings from iSpecs.com. I'll be demonstrating Persol sunglasses Model-Typewriter-Edition 3108S, color code 1144B1. The color of the frame is blue and silver and the lenses are gray. They have a round shape. On its temples you'll find the Persol logo, and it can also be found on its nose pads and on one of its temple tips, and it's made in Italy. 49 is for its lenses, 22 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temple. The glasses come with a box, a case which color and style may vary, a card of authenticity, and cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching and have a joyful day.